and welcome to today's video. So today I'm unboxing a slightly different advent calendar, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Brewdog 24 Beers of Christmas. So this has got 24 different cans in. There's some exclusives, some of their all-time kind of classics, and yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to unbox it and see exactly what is in here. So the advent calendar itself costs $49.99. So I suppose no better place to start off than day number one. So this is what we have got behind door number one, and this is the Brewdog Planet Pale, and I don't think I've ever had this one before. This is of course a beer. It is just in their 330ml can, and the percentage of this is 4.3, so nice looking beer. Very excited to try this one out because I've never tried their Planet Pale before. So going in for door number two. Oh, okay, so we've got a big 440ml can this time, and this is the Tony's Hopper Only collaboration with Brewdog, and this is a white chocolate and raspberry milkshake IPA. This is a strong one. This is 6.3%. So it does say here that for actually every can sold of this, that they'll be making a donation to the Chocolonely Foundation, which is to support Tony's mission to make all chocolate 100% slave free. So that's really fantastic. And I myself have never tried this one, but I have seen this in some Tesco Expresses, mainly in London. That is what you've got behind door number two. Right, door number three. I've made a right mess of this already, but at least it is all cardboard, so it is completely recyclable. Okay, this looks interesting. We've got Lost Lager in mango, and I think I have tried the Lost Lager, but just like the normal one. I did not know that they did this in mango. I don't know if this is an exclusive for this box, but this is 4.5%, so nice strength for a beer, and I do really like a fruity drink, so I think I'm going to like this one. I'm definitely really intrigued to see what it's like in comparison to just a normal Lost Lager. Door number four. These are quite close together. And we have got, oh, of course, the classic, the iconic Punk IPA. And this is just a 330ml can. Good strength here, 5.4%. This is probably, if you've ever had Brewdog, this is probably what most people will go for. You can pick this up in pretty much most supermarkets, I think, in bottles, in cans, on draft, at a lot of pubs. So I know I'm definitely going to enjoy this one because, yeah, it's just the classic Brewdog beverage. And then on to door number five. And we have got, okay, so we have got the regular Lost Lager, which I mentioned a couple drinks ago. I have tried before and I do really like. This is again 330ml can, and percentage on this is 4.5. Just a really nice lager. Just a bit of information here about Brewdog on the can, which I think is quite interesting. Lost is apparently the world's only carbon negative beer. It's brewed with surplus fresh bread, uses a third less water, and is powered by wind turbines. Door number six, so back down in this little corner here. Another iconic Brewdog drink. We have got a Dead Pony Club, which I have also had before. This is 330ml can, and this is a session IPA, so this is a bit weaker at only 3.8%. This is a really nice drink. It's just, as I said, good session drink. It's not strong, but it's got a really nice flavour. Yeah, I think it's actually been quite a while since I've had a Dead Pony Club, so definitely pleased that's in there. And on to door number seven. Hey, we've got a Hazy Jane Guava, and I actually only recently tried this for the first time. I know it's quite a new one, But I was in the Brewdog at Tower Hill and they did have this on draft, so I tried it there, and it is really, really tasty. You've got that nice hazy IPA flavour with a really lovely hint of like the fresh fruity guava. So 330ml can again. This one is 5%. And on to door number 8. Okay, this has got to be one of my favourite Brewdog drinks. This is Clockwork Tangerine. And again, I haven't had this for like the longest time. They used to sell it in the Tesco's near me, but just haven't had it for the longest time. This is a Tangerine Session Ipa, 330ml can again, and this is 4.5%. It's just a really lovely orangey, fruity beer. Yeah, this is just, in my opinion, another real classic and definitely one of my favourites. Let's see what's behind door number 9. Okay, we have got a double hazy, and this is in the big 440ml can, and this is a strong one. This one is 7.2%, so think hazy but strong. And I'm not the biggest fan of the double hazy. It is a bit too strong for me, so I'm definitely going to let my boyfriend enjoy this one to himself. I know that he absolutely loves double hazy, so we'll probably be very thrilled that he doesn't have to share this one with me. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's nice, the flavour's there, it's just, yeah, I just find it, for me, it's a bit too much and a bit too strong. And then of course onto door number 10. We have got, okay, sticking with the hazy theme, I like this. We have got Hazy Jane Peach that I didn't know that they did. I don't know if this one is new for the advent calendar or maybe just new in general, but of course it's just the classic Hazy Jane with a nice hint of peach. Again, 330ml can, and this one is again 5%. So I know I like the guava because I said about that, so I'll be really interested to see how this one tastes. I do like peach, but sometimes I find in drinks it can taste a bit synthetic, so I will be intrigued to see how those peach notes come through. So let's have a look and see what's behind door number 11. We have got this time a layer cake, and this is a marshmallow and chocolate stout. It's in the big 440ml can, and we've got another strong one here at 7%. So I have tried layer cake. I don't really like it because I don't really like stout, so think like Guinness. I just don't, yeah, just not really my pick of drinks. So again, I'm going to be ever so kind and I'm going to let Tim drink this one entirely to himself because I know I don't like it. And we are pretty much halfway, so on to door number 12, and this time we have got, okay, we have got an Elvis Juice, which again I think is like one of their classic drinks. So this is a grapefruit infused IPA, 330ml can, and this one is 5.1%. I really like Elvis Juice because it's got those fruity like grapefruit notes in it, and it's definitely very refreshing. I think again you can pick this up in like most supermarkets or even on draft or bottled in a pub. It's just, yeah, it's a nice light refreshing crisp drink. I think another good one for a summer's day. And on to door number 13. Okay, we have got here, we have got Lightspeed, and this is another hazy IPA, but this one is only 95 calories. This is not too strong. This one's 4%, and again it's in the 330ml can. I really like the design of this can actually. I would have to say all of the cans are really interesting and definitely very eye-catching. I don't think I've tried this one. So I'm now onto door number 14. So another one I've never tried. This is the Basic Shake, and this is a milkshake IPA. 330ml can again, and this one is 4.7%. So I'm interested to see what this one's going to be like, because I don't like, as I said, the layer cake, which is milkshakey, but I don't know if I just don't like it because it's the stout. So I will definitely give this one a go. And on to door number 15. What on earth is this? I have never seen this can before. So this is the Certified B Corporation Tropical Hop Pilsner. How interesting. So this is a 330ml can, and this one is 5%. So this one says here, a celebration of our B Corp certification. So I don't know what that means. Oh, okay, there's a bit more information here. So it says, at Brewdog, we have always believed that businesses should be a force for good, and now we are officially a certified B Corporation. B Corps are businesses that meet the highest standards of verified social and environmental performance, public transparency and legal accountability to balance profit and purpose. B Corps are accelerating a global culture shift to redefine success in business and build more inclusive and sustainable economy. So wow, so they've made this, I suppose, as like, I guess, a little celebration of that. So yeah, I'm really interested to try this. Do like a tropical fruity drink, and I just like the meaning behind this one. So on to door number 60. We have got a lockdown, and this is a guava and grapefruit pilsner. Again, 330ml can, and this one is 4.7% this time. And I think I'm going to like this one because I like the guava of the Hazy and I like the grapefruit of the Elvis Juice. So this sounds super fruity and right up my street. And on to number 17. We have got, okay, what is this? So this is velvet cake, which looks very, you know, snazzy, definitely looks very Christmassy. This is a pecan salted caramel stout, and 330ml can again, and this one is 6%. And it's a stout, so I'm already thinking that I'm probably not going to like it. I will absolutely try it because pecan salted caramel sounds absolutely delicious. It sounds like a dessert in a can, but I just don't know if it's just going to be a bit too rich. Only got a few more to go. So behind day number 18. Okay, I'm supposed to complete the collection here. We've just got a can of Hazy Jane. So this is just the 330ml can, and this one is 5%. And of course, this is a New England IPA. I know that I like this one. I don't know whether I'd go a bit all out and have this alongside the fruity ones, but yeah, it's a very nice can. And on to door number 19, and we have got, okay, yes, one of my favourites. So this is Mallow Laser Quest, and this is big 440ml can, and this is a marshmallow and pineapple hazy IPA, and this one is 6%. So whenever we go to Brewdog pub or like an actual Brewdog, I will always get this. It is so nice on draft. It's so refreshing. It's so tasty. Absolutely chuffed to pieces to have a big can of this in here. And moving on to door number 20. I think this might be a new one as well. So this Brewdog can is White Space, and this is a new wave Belgian wit, and I have absolutely no idea what that is. It's come in this 330ml can, and it is 4.5%. Just trying to see if there's any clues as to what this may be. It just says a Belgian style wheat beer. I'm definitely intrigued to see what it's like. And on to door number 21, so the last one in the bottom row. Okay, so I recognise this packaging already. So this is the Parma Violets Brewdog New England IPA, big 440ml can, and this one is 5.5%. And I actually hate Parma Violets. I think they taste like soap, but having said that, I am really interested to see how this tastes and how they've like translated the Parma Violets into the IPA. I'm hoping it's just a bit like a violet gin where it's not too like perfumey tasting, but who knows. I mean, the can itself looks very cool. It's definitely, yeah, one to try. Whether it's going to become a new favourite, I'm not too sure. And we're on to the final three. So door 22. This is, okay, this is Mistletoe Mafia, and I love the can. The green's really nice, the little snowflakes and just little bits of snow. And this is a Vienna style lager. This is of course 330ml can, and it is 4.5%. Again, not really any information on this one again, other than it's a Vienna style lager. I have been to Vienna. I probably had a lager there. I can't really remember what it tasted like. So yeah, I'm hoping there's like a little Christmassy infusion in this one, given the can and the name and everything. And on to the penultimate can, door number 23. So this is another collaboration can. This is the Urban Fog New England IPA, Brewdog versus Mikkeller. And this is a 440ml can. It is 6.5%, and I have heard of Mikkeller. I think they're Danish. I'm sure I saw their cans about when I was in Copenhagen a few years ago, and I've had a few of the collaboration cans like this. They've done like Cloudwater, they've done like the Nitro one, so I'll be really interested to see what this one is like. And the final can, door number 24. So I'm kind of hoping that we're gonna get another Christmas one. So we have got the Brewdog Hoppy Christmas, and this is a festive IPA, 330ml can again, very nice. And this one is 6%. And I like this, very synonymous of, you know, being a child and getting all your Christmas toys and having no batteries. So I'm really interested to try this. It says it's a festive India pale ale. I'm not sure exactly what that means. I don't know what kind of notes this is going to have in it, whether it's going to be like festive like cinnamony or festive like orangey. I don't know. Really, really cool. And I think I probably will save this one for Christmas because, I mean, look at it. So that was the unboxing of the Brewdog 24 beers of Christmas. I have definitely made a right mess of this box, and I've got all of the cans laid out next to me, and I'm really, really excited to get stuck into these over the festive period. I think that for £50, this is a really good value advent calendar if you're into Brewdog or into trying different craft beers, given the fact that some of these are exclusives, or you know, you can't pick up in the supermarket. You'd either have to order from the website or just go into an actual Brewdog pub where the cans aren't the cheapest. I think it is great. I think a really good opportunity to try out some exclusives and to try out some new drinks that I've not tried before. I mean, it works out pretty much £2 a can. Postage was free, and I just think that if you like this sort of thing, or you know someone who does, that it's really, really great value. So there was something a little bit different from me, a little bit of a different unboxing than I normally do, but I really hope that you enjoyed seeing everything that was inside. I'd really love to know whether you've bought this or whether you've bought it in the past and what you thought of it, so do leave me a comment below. But as always, thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.